I want to talk about this Creosote Buster log from Pine Mountain. This is a new purchase for me. You can see right here I heat with firewood. I have a wood stove. This is going to work for chimneys as well, but they're extremely easy to use. You'll get a fire going, and after about 30 minutes, you're going to take the log and you're just going to put it right in there. You can see it comes in a bag. You'll just toss it right in there and let it go. And what you're going to want to do, close the door, you're going to open the vent, and you're going to let it burn completely before you add any more firewood. Now, where I live, for whatever reason, I don't have good draft in my home, and I get a lot of creosote in my chimney, so I use this usually once or twice a year. It really helps fight creosote and keep my chimney good. The last thing you want when you're trying to keep yourself warm is to experience a chimney fire. This thing's really been good for me so far. If you'd want to keep your chimney clean, click on the link in the description below.